Okay, start recording.
You know, I've seen so much videos like kids like on the YouTube channel, like on YouTube.
I turned down my graphics level and I started lagging more. What? I just turned down my graphics level and started lagging more. Wait, what the hell? That is wild. Hold up. Nah, I bet $5 Melvin. I mean, not Melvin. Nathan's gonna win. Oh, never mind. You're getting demolished.
That's right.
I killed him.
No,
I don't even want to fight you, bro.
I thought you didn't stand the rules.
Oh, I didn't know that. My bad.
Yo, should we 1v1v1?
I don't know. Ask Nathan.
Yeah, we will.
Alright, I got you.
Where did my videos go? I forgot. Oh no. Videos of 4K capture?
I'm waiting for y'all. I'm gonna wait for y'all. Wait, let me equip
I'm ready.
pilot.
I'm waiting for him.
Hold on, let me equip pilot helmet. Give me a second.
Alrighty. Man, God Human's so good. You should get it.
Shut up, bro. Matter of fact, let me check that fighting style, actually.
So
Oh,
what?
yeah. Let me see this.
My fighting style.
Let me see how good.
Hey, what are you changing it to?
Good.
Superhuman.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so I combo.
I mean, it's alright.
Shut your... I don't care. It's alright. I don't care.
I caught being in the castle.
Oh my god, I swear to god, I'm gonna get demonetized. I make fun of so many different people. It's actually crazy. No, cause like, I'm like racist, like I'm very sexist. I'm making fun of retards.
Okay, this is a video. Why is it too powerful? Oh my god, shut up.
What's too powerful?
I was gonna put the video to see if you guys think it was good.
Oh my god, are we about to fight or what? And why do I have
Yeah,
Melvin?
okay,
And why do I have Melvin allied? Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm gay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna murder all y'all. I'm gonna murder some kids. Murder some monies.
No vegans.
I'm lagging. It's a shoot, but yeah.
Stop flying around that stupid snake.
Ain't no way I missed all of those.
I can't move. Stop targeting me.
You're low, sorry.
I'm gonna shot.
But
I'm
you
gonna
really
get shot
do
in the air. Never mind. Why are you targeting him?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Whoa!
I don't care. You just stay targeting.
Yeah, bro, this sucks.
I can't even get you. Then you keep running after him. Yeah, I would feel bad if I attacked Nathan.
I can't do anything because Melvin is Melvin's, bro.
Melvin's being gay again. No, I missed.
I never
This is why I don't PvP with Melvin. Because he doesn't.
Melvin, you're gay.
Oh my! Stop targeting.
Where did you go? Oh. No, don't tell me you just use your erase ability.
No.
I'm lagging.
Oh, yeah,
Everything's frozen.
Let's do Hold up, what?
Everything's
Okay,
frozen. No, Melvin's frozen. Oh, it's just Melvin.
Yeah. Listen, there's no erase abilities, okay? There's no thing plus erase.
Ow.
Oh, I just used.
Oh my god, Melvin.
He just did too.
I'm sorry. Ow. Ow. That hurts.
But I can't move Melvin. Oh my, stop targeting.
You closest to me.
Bro, you've been targeting me for 12
you targeting. Now you're literally targeting him, bro.
You literally targeted whoever's lowest, bro. It's despite the person that like went next to you.
Like, you're literally gay, bro. Like, that's kind of racist, bro. I ain't finna lie.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, that's pretty racist. I don't know, but it is.
Yeah, Melvin. Oh my god, we said no awakening!
I didn't mean to do that.
He still died anyway. He still died
You
anyway.
literally always say that, bro. You don't mean to do that. You do that all the time. That person, what did he
That's not my fault. I'm
Is it
just
that
used to
hard not
always
to
using
press
my
a button?
face
Is it
awakening.
that hard not to press a button?
Yeah, how do you,
It is that hard.
like you literally press 6 and click. How do you press
No,
6?
I don't. I press Y. I press
How do you
Y.
press Y?
Oh no, 'cause I'm used to it.
I pressed C. Why is your hotkey Y? Oh, cause it's your race ability. Never mind. I'm fucking stupid. I'm
Okay,
stupid.
come on.
I'm actually
3,
stupid.
2, 1, go.
Bruh, ain't no way you missed that. There's no shot you just missed that, bro. That's actually disappointing that you missed that. Like, how the fuck do you end up missing that though? That's my question.
Let me see, what did
Ow,
he miss?
ow. He misses fucking tornado shit. He like shot it right off the bat and missed it.
Oh my
I don't know how
god.
your bitch ass missed that.
I just ignore it. My aim sucks.
Please tell me I hit that. No! Bow!
Damn.
Melvin's dead. Yeah, Melvin's just straight dead.
Yeah, because I'm being targeted.
You target too, I don't want to hear it.
Not here.
So then, I can target you then. Yeah, we target Melvin, guys.
I missed! Fuck, nigger. Ah! That hurt. Hey, move, boy! Boy. I'm lagging! I'm autistic! Nah, give me your ass out in here.
I'm in a safe zone.
Bro, I always miss my fucking beast owl pounce. It's so irritating.
Oh god, I cannot move.
Why'd I turn off my observation? Ow. Ow. Yeah. I'm kind of stuck right now. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna rape all of you. I'm gonna touch all your toes.
Get me out of there, please.
Oh no.
I'm touching all your toes right now. Ow. It's still called toxic fog.
Isn't? Aren't they all the same? Are they all called the same?
Yeah, they should change the names, bro.
Is this called him toxic? Wait, what? Stop hitting me, bro. Get away.
What is going on?
I can't even get up no more. Oh my god.
You can't get up.
No, because you're frozen because I'm frozen with
Ah! Ah! No! You're gay! Leave me be! Leave me be! I think I like where you. Where'd you go? Oh! Fat bitch.
What you call me?
Did I stutter? You're a fat bitch. Bow!
I can't move! Oh my, bro, what is this?
You die? You die? Ow!
Yeah,
Nigga.
bro, what am I supposed to do? I am getting targeted. Like, I can't move. Whoa, oh my god. I can't move.
Ah, I'm hurting. Back up, Melvin. Back your ass up, Melvin.
Why did I miss that?
Bruh.
Bad ending.
Guess what, monkeys? Guess what?
What?
Chicken butt. Ah. I'm coming for your
What the
anus.
heck is that?
I'm coming for your anus.
Bad ending for third quarter.
Coming for all your butts.
gonna fall down. What the heck? Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
You died?
Your like whatever your poison thing is OP. It's like a stun.
Yeah, your poison thing, like it will cancel any attack.
Exactly.
I don't like you. Stop. Cancel. Die. Get out of your venom. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Skedaddle. Time to skedaddle.
No way.
No, wait, what? No, wait,
I
what?
did not hit that.
Hit what? No!
Yes! Yes!
God, I can't move.
There's no way you're not dead.
Are y'all targeting?
Yes! Because you're the one who's right now.
How come?
Oh my god, right on you dead.
I got your ass. No!
I hope you die.
Oh, you
What
die.
if you're running?
Oh, you're already dead.
Damn, oh man, you just got destroyed. You just got roasted. Where is he? What the heck?
I'm on your ass. Ow! That hurt! No!
Ow.
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, faster, faster. you know,
Well, get down.
you know, you're right. Why are you taking damage?
Because we're poisoned. Don't go on top of the castle.
I'm not going on top of the castle. Are you still targeting me?
Yeah.
Dude! Okay,
You're
I
finally
finally
dead,
died. I finally died.
Whoa.
Venom's so good, bro. You just gotta learn how to use it. Which I had to do. Hold on.
Okay, and I.
I'm doing that.
I don't feel like I'm not letting you.
What did I have?
Oh, why'd you have to hit me, Melvin? Oh my god. You messed up my combo.
That's just how the game works, alright? That's just how the game works.
You messed up my damn combo, you fucking nigger.
What the heck's going on?
I cannot see anything.
You're gonna die.
Who?
You!
I'm still alive. Go away. Go away from me. Get away from me.
Yeah, I'm not even fighting you
Are
anymore.
you? Alright.
Oh my god.
You're gonna die.
Yeah. Go
Yeah.
next.
No!
Is anybody even recording this?
No.
I'm recording.
I
I'm
stopped.
recording.
Are
I'm
you
still
recording this?
recording. Yeah, I'm still
Oh.
recording. 13 minutes.
Okay. That's a more okay.
I'm gonna try to like get to 30. I'm gonna try to get to 30.
Okay, no one's gonna watch a 30-minute video versus PvP.
You said what?
No one's gonna watch a 30-minute video versus PvP.
I'm gonna go to water!
20%, maybe.
I put no.
That's
15 at 15.
Just stop it. Just stop it at 13.
We did like 15 to 17 minutes. Like,
I'm gonna stop it when I die, okay? Wait, no, you don't target me. No. Please.
Just target him, guys.
Please, no. No. No.
Get back! Oh my god.
You're the one that lost me! Talk about me get back. You're the one that lost me.
Yeah, you went more up. Oh my god, Jaden.
What?
Ah.
I missed that. No shot. your ass out.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what's up? Benjamin!
Turning.
Back up, Melvin. Damn, damn! Stop comboing me like shit. Nigger. You dumb nigger. I get away from me!
Damn, I actually hit that. Hey. God damn, you opened the L.
I'm lagging. I feel assaulted. I feel targeted. I feel personally targeted. I feel personally targeted.
Didn't know you didn't.
What do you think? Coming for your ass. Melvin, I hate you. I still got him though. Still got to kill.
No. I guess. 23-yard loss.
Oh my, I know, man.
What the fuck are you humming about?
Wait, is it Jeffrey?
Yeah, it's Jeffy.
Oh.
Yeah, ow indeed. Ow! Ow! No! I was joking!
Yeah, I'll indeed.
I was joking.
What happened?
Well, I cannot run. What is this?
Ain't no way I missed that.
Did you guys say my name?
Yeah, it's cause I hear you love it, bro.
Ah.
That only does 2k damage? That's dumb. Like, my literally flying ability does more damage than that. And it's dumb. That's dumb that my flying ability does more damage than that.
Your flying ability.
My flying ability should not do more damage than my actual abilities.
I just farted. Alright, I was smiling my board, that's why I died.
How am I not hitting those?
I was sniffing my port, that's how I died.
Ow.
Nope, you can do some.
Can I please fly? Oh my god.
I can't move. I can't move.
Me neither. Fucking dead.
Mission.
Yo, whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh.
I hit them right there.
Hello?
You gotta die. Melvin, you gotta die.
I actually hit you right there.
Melvin, you gotta die.
Alright, well, I'm gonna do the pirate raid.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. No doubt about it.
I ain't turning on PvP so I'll finish this.
Oh my god.
You fucking hypocrite. I hope you kill yourself. Hope you commit die.
I'll become a wolfneck.
Have I even died from Melvin yet?
Yeah. I have. I'm still doing combat.
Why are my moves not hitting? My fucking default. It's actually stupid.
Stop hitting me.
Yeah, wait, I got
What you
like.
get? Oh, you got light? Oh, I'll give it to me.
Damn.
Okay.
Oh, they got 2 rounds on it.
Jaden just trying to steal the light fruit.
I said I don't need it. I already got it.
Okay, I technically died. And oh wait, this is right after 20 minutes.
What is, oh, really?
Mhm.
Okay, I can keep that, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Let's see the video first. Let's like.
Okay. I'm just cut this out.